for today's video mga lods. Maayong buntag sa tanan mga lods. Happy Wednesday sa tanan. Welcome to Cauhagan Island, Siargao. Don't forget to follow my channel, YouTube channel, Jesus at Yahoo Vlog 100. This is the Cauhagan Island, Siargao. The sandbar, the famous sandbar in Siargao. The sandbar over there. I will go to the sandbar, mga loads. This is the sandbar and the place in Cauhagan Island. Looking for beautiful places. I'm here in Cauhagan Island, Siargao. This is the famous in Siargao. You can visit her if you want to go there in Siargao. You can visit number 1 Sugba Lagoon and Cauhagan. Looking for tourism in Del Carmen, Siargao, the municipality. Thank you for always follow and share. And I love you. God bless us all.